Hi everyone, Uplands Car Radios here in Cardiff. You join me in this 2018 Hyundai i10 where we've just finished fitting this KENWOOD DMX5023DABS. This car had the factory sat-nav radio in it which failed. This is around a £4,000 to £5,000 replacement from Hyundai, or you can come to us and we can stick a lovely KENWOOD in it just like this. Also kept the hazard switch working, kept all the seatbelt displays and the airbag, as well as the steering wheel controls and the factory USB port down there as well. Now this model comes with a 3-year extended warranty if installed by a pro install dealer such as ourselves. This model in particular has wired Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, just show you some of the features on there. Come out of here. Also has digital radio, show you some of the channels put on for the customer, ready to go. Come out of there. Some more features of this radio include USB mirroring, FM, AM radio as well, Bluetooth audio, and obviously USB down the bottom. If this is something interesting for your vehicle, please get in touch, guys. Thanks.